Editing images in Mailchimp is nice and simple. When you logged into Mailchimp, merely click the down arrow next to Content, click My Files, and you'll see the files you've uploaded into Mailchimp. If you don't see the file, or if you want to upload a file, merely drag and drop the file into this section or click Upload to upload from your computer. Then the image you want to edit, just click on that image, click the down arrow next to View Details, and click Edit Image. It'll take a few seconds, but the image editor will now appear as it has on our screen. We've got lots of different options where we can edit the image. If you hover your mouse over the left-hand side, you can see here crop or resize, filters, adjust, and you can go through these various things. You can add text and so on. So for example, let's say we want to have this image in black and white. We can click Filters, and we can click the black and white filter in this case. And there are a lot of filters underneath, even the black and white filter. So let's just choose one we like. Let's just choose this one, for example, and you'll notice that Mailchimp has edited that image. We now need to click Save. Really critical. Remember to click Save, and then click Close to get out of the editor. And you'll notice that the image is now changed to black and white, and you can use that in your marketing, in your email marketing, on your landing page, on your sign-up forms, and so on. And you can see there are two versions of this image. So if we click on that image, click View Details, you'll see that the two images are here. So you can always revert or go back to your original image. And that's how simple it is. Please like this video. Please leave a comment.